Hello, my name is Mayra Valencia. This film is a drama genre premiered in the years 2032 plays. The main character is Russell Crowe. The movie Brilliant Minds. Um, I have recently seen the movie called Brilliant Mint. It tells about the story of John Nash, a well-known mathematician to win awards and is very prominent for applying game to top management in company. This man formed a home on the suffer most of his life, with medication from hospital to hospital because and paranoid is schizophrenia and the belief that live and be intercepted and that he was followed by the military. This film seeks to promote creative and strategy in the decision marketing shop late.